Alright folks, this is a 2018 Subaru Impreza. I'm going to change the air filter today. Alright, air filter is fairly simple. It's right in here. It's going to be two clips. Pop them. This front cover is going to bend out. And you can pull it up a little bit out of the way. And the air filter is found right in there. Alright, let's do it. That's good. All right. 1, 2, pop, pop. Just lifts up out of the way, gives you a little bit more clearance, and the filter is going to come out. Sometimes without a fight. There you go. That's how filthy it is. This is a Subaru filter. This is a 2018. What's the chances of this being the original filter? It's a possibility. All right. Shaped in a certain way. A little bit of a rectangle. So that's the way it's going to go in. If you put it in the wrong way, of course it's not going to fit. Let's find this little bugger in there. Push this back a little bit so we have a little play. Alright, there's a little slot in there. Let me show you what that slot looks like. Alright, there's little slots in there. This housing is going to go into that slot. That locks the bottom. So just peek, stick it in there, and close it up. One lock, two locks. Give it a nice wiggle, and you're done. All right, this is an SDP brand. SA 525. Get rid of the old one, and you have a nice day. All right, ciao. Thanks for watching.